Hello beautiful you, welcome to my channel Intuitive Healing. My name is Bianca and today I have something really kind of exciting, an exciting idea that came to me the other night while I was falling asleep. And this idea is, its purpose is to really help support people who may not feel love at this time, who might find it challenging to express how they feel and the love they have inside them. It might be for those who just really need that extra support right now around the world, or may feel a lack of connection, human connection, self-connection to source energy. The idea is to fill up social medias with an I love you vibration. So there's some rules. Basically you post whenever you feel. I'm gonna do it daily for maybe about a month, or just see how I go, but it's just a small snippet of vibration of me expressing I love you, the I love you vibration. Before you start filming yourself saying this, and you can film yourself saying this, gesturing this, writing this, or thinking this, really get into a space in your heart space of thinking about a particular person, people, events, situations, things, something that you really love. And my curiosity in this is about feeling whether the vibration of I love yous are different when you think about different things. So yeah, the rules are, at least for 1 minute, sit and center yourself and get into your heart space and feel the vibration of the I love you and who you want to send that to and who you're thinking of when you're saying that. Maybe it's yourself. Then filming yourself only saying that, or gesturing that, or writing that. Use your creative talents. You're incredibly talented. And if you want to lead people back to this video, Intuitive Healing channel, I'd love for you to follow me. That would be awesome as well, for us to connect that way. I'm really curious to see the different and feel the different vibrations of I love you when they are coming from different people, and also when they are thinking about different things, and if you can tell the difference between the different vibrations. I also want to kind of see a little experiment that I want to check out, is if I was to post an I love you every day and think about different people every day. I'm wondering if, despite algorithms and all those kind of things, my belief system is that everything's energy and energy is everything. So therefore, and with the law of attraction, it is a law, the laws of the universe, that if I was to think of my mum and I said I love you, and the next day of my dad and I said I love you, that she would be more likely to click on the one where I was thinking about her, and my dad might only ever get to see the one that I've done about him. So that's, I hope that makes sense to you, but that's what I'm kind of gonna have a look. So I'm gonna document my days, on which days I post and who I think about, and see if they comment on those particular days or on those videos. Ask them if they have seen any other videos other than the one that the energy was with their energy, thoughts in mind. So that's my little project, but I'd really love for you to come on board with me with this and fill up social media with I love yous. And from my heart to yours, I thank you for watching and listening and participating if you choose. The light I see in me is the light I see in you. We are one radiant light. Namaste. I love you.